Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Kai Styles. I hope you're having an awesome day so far. In today's video, we are going to be doing a first impression and product review of the Benefit Brow Contour Pro. So if you want to see how I got my eyebrows to look like this, keep watching. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Kai. I'm a hairstylist and a makeup artist, and I do live makeup videos pretty much every day of the week over on my Facebook page, Kai Styles. I also post makeup tutorials and product reviews here on YouTube, and you can check me out over on Instagram at stylesby_Kyle. So I got mine in the shade Brown Light. So it's the brown eyebrow pencil and then the light contouring and edging shade. It says it's a 4-in-1 defining and highlighting brow pencil. It has a lighter shade, a deeper shade for the brows, and then it has an edge definer shade and an arch highlighter shade. For those of you that go in and you do your brow and then you conceal and then you put on highlighter, this is supposed to be all of those products in one. So this kind of eliminates some products, since you have all of the products in one tool. I love all-purpose tools like that, or 2-in-1 products. They're just very convenient and they make your daily makeup routine a lot easier. This is what it looks like. If you're around my age, when we were in school, we had those pens that you could click the different colors down. So that's basically the concept of this pencil. It has all of these different shades on here, and as you click them down, the other one pops up. As you can see, I just did a basic base of makeup today. I have not applied my eyebrows yet because I knew I was going to be doing this video, so let's go ahead and try this product out. Okay, so I'm going to start out with the light shade on here, and it says lighter shade, so you just click that button down in order to use that, and then you twist this to push the product forward. Lots of twists. So usually I like to have a spoolie on my eyebrow pencil. Again, I like the 2-in-1 products. It makes it easier. So for me, I'm a spoolie person. I like to use a spoolie to brush through my brows. So I always like it when they have one on there. This product does not have one, so I'm gonna have to use a separate one. Okay, so starting out with the lightest shade, I'm just gonna come in and start to define my brow. So the product applies pretty easily. It is like a cream-like pencil product, but for some reason when I'm putting it on my eyebrow, it almost feels dry, if that makes any sense. Not sure how I feel about it yet. Let's go ahead and finish sketching out our brow here. How fine the point on this pencil is because it's easy to work with. I do feel like maybe this color pencil might be a little dark for me. I might have needed the next shade down. I do think that the tone of this pencil is nice. I think that it's easy to apply. Not really crazy about the shape of this, so because this is such a wide pencil and the tip of this is so fine, it's almost hard to determine where you're placing the product because you've got this giant pencil in the way, so it makes it hard to see the tip of this. texture of this product is almost chalky, and it's strange because it's not a dry product. It is a cream product, but the way it goes into my eyebrow feels chalky. Now you can come through and you can brush it back out with a spoolie and it pretty much takes care of that problem, but it's just really strange to me the way that it applies, knowing the formula of the product, if that makes any kind of sense. It does seem like the product really grips into your eyebrow, so like I feel like once it's on there, it's not going to move and smudge throughout the day. Okay, so now we've got the basic shape of our eyebrow on, and I just realized I probably should have read through the steps for this before I started. Oh, and there's this cute little Brow Magic tips and tricks by Benefit in here. Start with the lighter shade, fill in the brow with the lighter shade from start to arch, which we just did. So good, we did step 1 in order. Step number 2 says end with the deeper shade. Fill in the brow with the deeper shade from the arch to the end. Step 3, define and clean the edges using the definer. And step 4, highlight the arches. For ultra clean defined edges, use Benefit's Brow Blender. This dual edge tool features a custom dome-shaped sponge with tape and tip for blending makeup around the brow, and a micro spoolie to brush even the tiniest brow hairs into place. Okay, so we were doing everything correctly. So now we're going to come back in and we're going to use the deeper shade. We're going to use that to define the outer portion of our brow. Like I said in the beginning, I do think that this shade is too dark for me. This tail end is a very dark brow. My natural hair color is like an ashy blonde, a dark, like a dishwater blonde. So I usually use like a taupe shade eyebrow pencil, which is like a cool dark blonde. And this is definitely more of a brown eyebrow pencil. Again, it's nothing to do with the formula or whatever, it's just I got a dark color. Formula is good, it wears well, it goes on nicely, it blends out easily. I do like having the 2 different eyebrow tones or the 2 shades on the pencil, because then you can really define that arch on the end, and it just really gives it this very nice, clean, tapered look. So the next step is we come in with the edge definer, which is this one. Twist that up. Okay, so this is supposed to work like your concealer when you come back in and you shape under your brows with your concealer. So let's see how this does. I'm just going to get a little flat brush to blend this out. This is a Morphe brush from their A Better World collection. Okay, so I think that this might be the feature that I like most so far out of this eyebrow pencil. I do often use concealer underneath my eyebrows, especially when I'm filming videos, just to get that really nice, clean, crisp arch to the eyebrow. And a lot of the times, the problem that you'll run into is even when I'm using a very small brush or a detail brush or a flat brush, sometimes that concealer will transfer onto your eyebrow hairs and it kind of screws up that nice, precise line. This is so tiny and so precise that you can get right up underneath the eyebrow. You can create that nice, clean line, and it's not going to transfer onto your eyebrow hair. It's just very easy to work in that small space and really get really good detail work. And the color on this is really nice for that. Like, it does a little bit to highlight underneath the brow and then also conceals and shapes that brow. So let's go ahead and pop this on the other side. I love this, you guys. This might be my new favorite eyebrow product. This little concealer pen. It just makes that so easy. And this product just blends out so easily too. And I don't feel like it leaves you with too much product. It's not super heavy like some concealers are. I think it's just a really nice formula and a really nice shape or style of product for that purpose. If nothing else out of this pen, I absolutely love this definer part. It's like a little tiny concealer pencil, and it is absolutely perfect for getting right up underneath the arch there. So I have a feeling that I'm also gonna love the next step as much, the highlighter shade. Use this to highlight just underneath your arch there. And use that same brush to blend that out. That is it. So this actually was very easy to use for the most part. Once you get used to the shape of the pencil, because it's so large, actually very easy to work with. The tips on these pencils are very precise, and they're twist up so they stay precise always. It's not like a pencil where it wears down to a nub and then you have to sharpen it to get that sharp tip back. So I love that. I love that this is several brow products in one item. This would be great for traveling, great for vacations, and it's awesome for everyday use. It really did make doing my eyebrows so easy, and especially if you're somebody that likes to conceal under your eyebrow and do a little bit of a brow highlight. This puts all the tools into one product, and they're very easy to use. I think that the small, precise tip is so convenient for working right here underneath the brow, because you do want to keep that as close to the brow as possible in order to keep it natural looking and to have that lifting effect that we're trying to get out of highlighting and defining underneath of our eyebrow. I really like this product. I think that the formula is nice. I think that it goes on well. It blends out easily. I think that somebody that is new to doing eyebrows, this would be a really convenient product. It is all of the products that you need to do a really nice sculpted brow in one tool. I do wish that they sold it with the little spoolie brush thing that they have, because it has a little sponge applicator on one end and then the spoolie on the other end, which would be perfect for blending this out and then combing out your brows. They should sell them together as a set, because I would buy it like that, even if I had to pay a little bit more for the product. I think that this retails for like $23 or $24. I don't know exact. But for getting your eyebrow pencils, 2 eyebrow pencil shades, a highlight shade, and a concealer, it's really not a bad price, and it's very convenient, very easy to use. If you're new to doing brows, or if you have trouble getting a really nice sculpted brow, try out this product. I really think that it just makes the whole process of doing your eyebrows that much simpler, and like I said, I'm a sucker for like 2-in-1 or all-in-one products. So just the fact that I can have all the products to do my brows in one easy pencil, and all I need is an extra brush to do it, that's super convenient. Alright, so I guess that's it for me today, you guys. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you have used the Benefit Brow Contour Pro, let me know in the comments below what you think of it. Also, if you know of any other brow products that are similar to this, let me know so I can check those out. I'm always looking for great new products to review for you guys. If you are not already subscribed to my channel below, make sure that you do that so that you can get notified when I go live. Also, you can check me out over on Facebook at my page Kai Styles, and over on Instagram at stylesby_Kyle. I hope everybody has a wonderful rest of their day, and until I see you next time, remember to be true to yourselves, be kind to one another, and most importantly, be beautiful. I love you all. I'll see you in the next one.